Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And today we are in the middle of the snowstorm. Basically much of Canada, northeast, and there's some rain in it too. So today, Saturday, January 18th, 2020. We have some snow today in the northeast, and it's going to go for the rest of the northeast. Tomorrow, Sunday, and then for me, rain, and then much of the northeast. Then yeah, so that is, I think, Winter Storm Jacob. It is Winter Storm Jacob. So it's right here, and it's snowing for much of Pennsylvania, like mix and sleet. And so yeah, so there's a new storm that I did not know about at all. So let's do this. So there's supposed to be a new storm, and then Claudia, which did become very strong, and then Invest 94S. So basically, Tino, if that's the name. I don't know much about this storm, but let's see. So it is expected to get weaker as days go on, but look how strong Tino looks. It looks very strong. Looks like a very strong hurricane, but it's actually a cyclone. So we are going to look into this more. Obviously, with the Arthur thing, I really saw Tropical Storm Arthur from that last video I made. There's like a bunch of low pressures just forming above here. That could be Arthur, but that could not, because that could possibly be like another extra tropical cyclone. But it doesn't really do any movement. But as we go into end of the satellite imagery, not satellite model, we can see another storm, and we can see like 3 storms. But those are obviously this is obviously an extra tropical storm. This is just a low pressure. This is possibly a snowstorm. So I'm not going to make any assumptions about any of these storms. And